everyone, welcome back to my new video. How you all doing? This is Laura and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful set of earrings and a necklace. However, you can even make a bracelet, why not? They are very easy to make. Look at what a nice things you can make with beads and some jump rings. You can customize them using different type of beads, colors or sizes. I'm using faceted beads, but you can use the ones you like the most. They really look amazing. My bestie is in love with them, so am I. And there is the list of supplies you will need. First of all, you will need to close 7 jump rings very well. Look, they usually come uneven. So all you have to do is open them very carefully and then close them by joining both ends like this. This must look silly, but it is very important to make it right because just a small gap could ruin it all. And now let's do something very complicated. Insert the 7 closed jump rings with another one. I needed 7 jump rings for the measurements I'm working with, but if you're using different sizes, you may need a different quantity. This jump ring also needs to be closed very well. When you finish, you'll have something similar to this, a jump ring holding a bunch of jump rings. Now grab 2 jump rings, take a piece of wire, not too long, just about 10 centimeters long, and wrap the wire around the jump rings twice. Insert the wire through the bead and pay attention to the next step. Cut the next jump ring and go through it with the wire. Be gentle with the wire. When you stretch the wire, it could twist and it looks terrible. So stretch carefully, and if the wire starts twisting, stop, untwist it and stretch it again. Then you'll have your first bead done. Insert a second bead and look for the next jump ring. In my case, it was ready to be used. Go through it with the wire and stretch. Remember to be careful while stretching to fix it if it starts twisting. Come on, let's do it one more time. Insert a bead on the wire, look for the next jump ring and go through it. Look, this is the reason why you need these jump rings closed very well. If they are a bit open, just a bit, the wire could get out of the ring and ruin your work. Repeat these steps until the end. When you have inserted the last bead, as you can see here, it fits great. Only if you're using the same measurement, of course. Now go under the 2 first jump rings from left to right and then wrap it twice. When you are finished, cut the excessive of wire and hide the ends. Add another jump ring right in the center. Also add an earring hook and you are done. Your new earrings are ready. It's a pity I recorded this video on a cloudy day and it's difficult to appreciate the beautiful purple I'm using. It looks more like brown, doesn't it? You can also add a chain instead of an earring hook and you'll have a beautiful necklace. If you like this video, please give me a super like. Subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry, cause I'll give you new ideas every Friday night. Hit the bell to be notified every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.